What once seemed too good to be true is now within reach with 100% pure Moringa. Promising to be a smart solution for balancing cholesterol and blood sugar levels, this product has garnered the trust of over 17,000 individuals. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk benefits. Picture this: a restful night's sleep without the burden of stress, improved memory, bid farewell to brain fog, and a detox digestive system leaving you feeling fresher than ever. Sounds enticing, doesn't it? But wait, there's more. Moringa caters to all ages, from 18 to 80, supporting healthy blood sugar levels, bidding adieu to cholesterol woes, and fortifying your gut health, all while giving your brain a boost akin to its youthful vigor. But what's the secret behind Moringa's magic? It's all in the ingredients. The 100% pure Moringa boasts only the finest Moringa leaves, meticulously selected, expertly dried, and ground into a potent powder. Bursting with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients, Moringa stands as the ultimate superfood. But before purchasing the product, pay attention to the website you are searching for. Some places take advantage when a product is in high demand in the market and sell products that are not genuine. That's why it's important to buy from the official website. If you want to know more, I'll leave the link to the website in the video description. Just click and choose your offer. Now, did you know that Moringa packs 7 times more vitamin C than an orange and a whopping 14 times more potassium than a banana? Impressive, right? But it doesn't stop there. The real MVPs here are the antioxidants, quercetin and chlorogenic acid. Quercetin aids in blood pressure regulation, while chlorogenic acid works its magic on post-meal blood sugar spikes. In a world brimming with toxins and pollutants, Moringa emerges as a beacon of cellular protection, neutralizing harmful substances and bolstering your body's defense mechanisms. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from the real heroes, the satisfied users who've experienced firsthand the transformative power of 100% pure Moringa. And here's the cherry on top: a 180-day money-back guarantee. At Science Natural Supplements, they stand by their products, committed to your health and happiness. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap towards a healthier, happier you with 100% pure Moringa. Until next time, stay vibrant, stay well. Don't forget to visit the website and learn more about this powerful product, transform your well-being, and live more securely.